Namaste. Today is the fourth of the auspicious 9 days of Navaratri festival. The fourth of the Navadurga form is Ma Kushmanda. She is the mother who bore the cosmic egg of all creations. She is a source of warmth in our life. She is depicted as a mother whose warmth and smile brings light and warmth into the universe. Worshipping Ma Kushmanda with the chant of the mantra Om Devi Kushmandyai Namaha Om Hrim Kushmandyai Jagat Prasutyai Namaha Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Ma Kushmanda Rupeina Samstita नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः।